So, Scotty, tell me what we got going here.
Well, if you slide forward where the muffler is.
I tried to ask if you were okay before I started laughing, but you started laughing, so I couldn't help it. Look at my view.
Okay. So, I guess it really is true. Ass down, windows, whatever. Okay, so you know what? We'll do it this way.
Well,
let's
lay
just
it on
sit.
the floor.
No, let's just sit.
Well,
We'll sit on the floor. Can
Look at
you?
this is nice.
Yeah, there you go.
My view's
So,
nice.
if you look at the mufflers.
Fat boy go boom.
Break.
Oh,
At least you don't have a brace on.
Just my
I
fucking
have-
ego.
the hanger for the muffler on.
Fucking
I
fell.
don't have the clamps tightened yet until we get an exact placement for everything.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
And then I got to do the hanger here.
Yep.
Twist the pipes a little bit, get everything tightened down.
That's gonna be
for the
nice
hanger.
in that corner back there. But look at that. That's nice.
Yeah, they doubled everything.
Yeah, it's all nice.
They doubled everything. We have double of almost every single.
Clampy.
Yeah, everything. It's crazy.
Why the fuck aren't you done yet?
I know, right? It's like what the fuck?
Well, he's doing one side, then he's gonna do the other side.
Yeah, because the driver's side needs a little more misogynist.
You like massaging?
This looks really good under here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've spent a lot of time to make this right, and you helping to scrape and everything made a huge difference. So thank you if I didn't say it.
Yeah. Thanks, Andre. You're all right.
Yeah, he's pretty good for a
like
white
I
guy.
said, I fucking love doing this stuff.
Oh, so do I. I could do it all
Just
day
clean
long.
it off, and
Yep.
it's like, okay, let's do some Port 15 or some like this stuff that I rubbed on it to help control the rust. You know, take all this crap off that's not doing anything anymore. I'm sorry.
That's what you get for laughing.
Salty.
Well, I didn't rub my sack on it.
Oh my God.
But we're close. We're almost done with the passenger side, getting everything lined up. I've got all the rest of the hangers.
I haven't
There.
gotten up yet because I'm kind of just down for a minute. I'm here.
But yeah, this is how bad the.
Old hangers were. Ew.
Oh my god.
Ew.
Oh, hey, wait a minute.
Hey, you found a washer.
There was a washer in there. Wow. There be gold in them there hills.
Hey, Scotty, you're not allowed to put every pepper on the pizza at once. This guy right here.
Banana peppers,
Oh fuck.
jalapenos,
Bell peppers.
bell peppers,
Fire in the
spicy marinara.
Fire in the hole.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm fine. I haven't even taken a piss yet.
I've went twice though. It got me. It bit me good.
Within 20 minutes of having the pizza,
Yeah.
he says, my hole's on fire.
It went right
Can I have this pizza with a side of preparation H, please?
Yeah, it's bad.
And I'm sitting here going, I'm fine. Not a problem.
Maybe that's what you need is some stuff like that to colorize that shit.
So anyway, yeah, this side you definitely got to work with. 'cause
Yeah, it's going to take a little
touching
bit.
the shock.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I just kind of slapped it together to get the basic view of everything.
But this side's pretty much there.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a little bit here and there that we
Like
I
back
got.
here needs a little tweaky.
Yeah. Well, like I said,
Get the
once I get
hanger?
the hanger there, that'll brace the back and here. It's already braced there. I just got to do the tightening, give it a little bit of twist, and it'll be good.
Yeah,
I can't wait to hear this puppy fire up.
It actually sounded good when
Yeah,
I
it
fired it
did.
up about a year ago.
Yeah.
Scotty's found the old video. There's a lot of video.
Video is good.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Looking good. Ooh, look at this nice clean rear suspension.
Yep. I want the owner to come by and take a peek before it actually goes down on the ground. I want him to actually see what his car's turning into. Because, I mean, I love it. I really, really do.
You mean it's becoming something other than a 56 Thunderbird?
Yes.
It
It's going to
identifies
transform into a Corvette. Because that's what it identifies as.
Roll out. Oh, please don't insult the Thunderbird.
I know, right?
Especially the same year Corvette.
Yeah, the senior Corvette is not as cool.
The whole reason why the Thunderbird made it better is because they put the V8 in it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, boys, it's looking good. I'm gonna get up now after falling. Oh, thanks.
But we love you. Okay, now that only because I'm on video, you're okay, right?
I'm fine. I haven't moved, but I'm fine.
Oh.
I might have a tear rolling down my cheek, but that's...
You might want to check
happen.
that. That might be pee.
If I peed on my cheek, we have problems.
Yes, I agree. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen,
There's an
Andre,
upside
say
down
goodbye.
Andre.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Andre.
Goodbye, Andre. Goodbye, Andre.
All right.